So finally, to work on the calves, a lot of runners, you're doing any type of squatting, your CrossFitters, or just people who come home from a hard day's work, dealing with people at your job, standing on your feet, security guards, firemen, nurses, everybody who has basically a long-standing position, no matter what you're doing, or even if you're sitting down behind the table, excuse me, Jesus, behind the desk and you're in a fixed position, your whole body's locking up. Sitting is the new smoking. Well, it always has been. I don't know why to say it's new, but hit the button, make sure it comes on, the red indicator's on, the rub ball is ready to go. Rub ball. Remember, you're rubbing it and it's a ball. Hit the button. Doo, doo, doo. See, it comes on. That would have been nice if they had that little sound that comes on, like doo, doo, doo. I don't know, I'm crazy. But we're gonna lift the calf. I'm gonna put that ball right underneath. Until where it's comfortable for her. How's that feel, Laurel? Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now, if it's too much, just let me know. Or tell your clients, let me know if it's too much. This ball, it's hard. It is not soft at all. Some people will think that it is soft because it's rubber. No, it's a hard ball. So it can handle any type of weight, 400 pounds, 500 pounds, even 600. Now, is it gonna vibrate as much as possible with a 400 or 500 pound person? Probably not, but you can still use it. And so the rub ball, we're gonna move, oh yep, see, she's moving for us. And so yes, you can move back and forth, side to side, however you choose, nice and slow. Nothing's fast for this massage ball. Everything is calculated, precise movements, small. And so let's just say she stays right here, and then she flexes those toes back and forward. Nice and slow. Yep, yeah. That's right. We're gonna work that soleus. And so we're gonna move it down to the Achilles heel or calcaneal tendons. And it may be a little sensitive right here, but it feels good. How that feels, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Yep, back and forth, pin and stretch. You're just pinning and stretching those muscles. So let's go to a higher mode. Uh-oh, trouble. And then we can go down even more. Let's see if we can go down to the, all the way to the Achilles. Does that hurt too much? A little bit. Now, if we do insane mode, or it's not called, again, it's not called insane mode, it's just I like to call it that because it could be intense or intense mode. Let's say it's intense. Bam. Got him. So let's go back on the calf because this might be a little bit too intense. This is the rub ball at work. The rub ball at its best. Relieving muscles, one muscle at a time or something. Yep, see? So then when we move to the hamstring or even in back of the kneecap, I like the popliteus or popliteal area or plantaris muscle. Those two muscles in back of that knee, which are your PCL, not both of them are PCL, but they interact with your kneecap on the backside, posterior side, PCL, posterior cruciate ligaments, and you got your meniscus and all that other good stuff back there as well. But the plantaris helps to plant the foot down, helps you to move side to side and propel forward. I like the way it feels underneath there. Sometimes it may be a little bit too much for some people. So now we're gonna move on to the hamstrings, the hammies. Yep, right underneath there, and the hammies need work. We all do. And remember, this is at the third level, the highest one. So as you guys can see, Oh. As you guys can see, the rub ball is great. I give it a thumbs up. Is it the best ever massage ball? We don't know. We haven't seen the best. We haven't seen the future just yet. So for now, it serves its purpose. I love all massage tools. I'm not gonna ever give almost any massage tool a bad grade unless it's so horrible to where it hurts the person. Then oh yeah, it's got to go. This doesn't hurt anybody. It does leave you with a tingling sensation after everything is done and vibrating, and it feels like it's itchy. That's a neurological response because this ball's moving so fast. It's super fast, and so it's shaking up everything in your body, and your nerves don't know what to do. So they're overreacting, saying, "Uh-oh, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do?" And it leads to like an itchy sensation, overactive nerves, almost like pins and needles. If you've ever had your leg in a weird position for so long, and all of a sudden you get up, and it's like a dead leg or phantom leg, or to where it's like pins sticking you, pins and needles. That's where the term comes from. Yes, it feels like a million needles. Those are just overactive nerves because they've been dormant for so long, and all of a sudden they gotta wake up. That's crazy. It's almost like your mom coming in, you warm in your bed, and it's frosty outside. She ripped them damn covers off, tell you to get up, remember? And your alarm clock going off, overactive nerve is cold as shit. It's like, whoa, I gotta get up. Yeah, it's the same thing, just in an instant. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh God, getting old. We made it, bro. We made it. So now I can give you a massage real quick and get out your hair.